So we just saw how we can back up our Azure file share into a backup vault. What about our on-premises resources? So if I choose the on-premises option, I'm going to get a whole number. There's actually 8 different sources that Microsoft can use to back up our on-premises machines. Starting with the simplest option, the files and folders option, we're going to see that Microsoft is recommending that we download the agent, the basically recovery services agent, to our local machine, install this on the server that we want the files and folders to be backed up from. And once we get the vault credentials, we can register that agent into this particular recovery services vault, set it up as a schedule, and choose the files and folders that need to be backed up. And basically it will run every day, every hour, however we set that up as our schedule, to back up those files and folders into the recovery services vault. That's like the simplest case. This is a piece of software that runs on your PC, and it doesn't really run separate from it. It just runs on top of it. If we wanted to back up the bare metal, like basically everything from below the operating system upwards, okay, then we're going to have to use what's called a backup server. Now, this is an external product. We're going to download this other piece of software. It's not an agent. And we're going to set that up onto its own server, or at least on a separate server. And then that's going to be able to do the backups of the other servers right down to the, every byte on the hard disk, whatever. Okay, so this is a more intensive type of backup. You'll find that if we chose any of these other, like Hyper-V, it's also going to require the backup server. Okay, if we wanted to back up our SQL Server instances, the data itself, it's also going to recommend backup server. Okay, and this software backup server can handle these other kinds of workloads, but it's a bit overkill for just files and folders. So yes, Azure can serve as the backup storage material for your on-premises machines, servers, even your home computer can be used as a backup source.